I hate cold water. But I've also been in this quarantine hotel, which is that one there. This is my 5th day here now, and I'm going a little bit stir crazy, so I'm bored enough of being in a hotel room that I'm prepared to confront my loathing of cold water just for some excitement. I'm also going to be testing the waterproofness of this GoPro Hero 9, which I'm sure is going to be fine, because they say it is, so what could possibly go wrong? It does look like I'm on holiday, doesn't it? But I really am. I've been in that hotel room for probably 20 to 21 hours per day for the last 4 days. And as beautiful as this is, it's only been for a couple of hours a day. That's where I'm going swimming. Vlogging with a GoPro is much less obvious than having some big camera rig, which I don't have, by the way. But it's much smaller than my iPhone. Time to get in. The water's not as clear as I remember it. I'm a jumping in person, not a climbing in person, especially if it's cold. I don't want to get in. Such a woofter. That is cold. It's gonna feel good when I get out. It's gonna feel good when I get out. It's gonna feel good when I get out. I'm going to be glad I did this. I'm going to be glad I did this. I'm already proud of myself for not getting out straight away. I think a lot of people would say, don't be such a wimp. It's not that cold at all. Let's test the waterproofness of the GoPro, shall we? It's not the crystal clear water I remember seeing when I was walking around the eggs, but the old cliche comes to mind. It's nice once you're in. That was amazing. And I am now going to go back to the hotel, have a shower, get on the one wheel, and sneak out for some food, because I don't think I can handle any more paper bags of microwave meals. Just got back to the hotel to find yet another bag of packaged food. There's an apple in there, but it's just cold food, and so I'm going to not eat this. I'm going to go out on my one wheel to McDonald's, which I saw in the town last night, and have a burger for lunch, which is slightly bending the rules, but before I do that, I've got to rinse the salt water off my GoPro.